It's October. Have you started the account? And how's it going? Update me, bro. I haven't talked to you in a while. Okay. Just gonna alert this and I'm gonna read the price. Damn. Okay. Hope I've not as much. No, yeah, I'm wondering if you started the account that we were talking about. Remember? Won't be staying long because I have a visit in the hospital. Visit in the hospital. Hope you're fine, man. What's going on? Hope it's nothing serious. All right. We have 13 minutes left till FOMC minutes. So far, what I'm seeing is Nasdaq left equal highs and displaced lower, attacked the sell side. Basically, a lower time frame or sub-second sell side model was completed with that. It rejected the sell side here. The sell side I'm talking about is 1104, equal lows, and then it displaced. Basically, formed an order block with a displacement unicorn, and it built equal highs. So from that breaker block, it formed an SMT divergence with the S and ran on buy stops essentially above equal highs and an old SIBI. Now now because it's FOMC, I want to see manipulation, run on manipulation, and maybe like through the second portion of the 2 p.m. I want to see the true direction of the market. But at the same time, because the market has expanded already a lot, not a lot, but like the AM session was basically trending, we could end up seeing a choppy or consolidating price as well. But for now, with what I have, I'm anticipating initial drop at 2 o'clock, then run on sell stops one more time around like 2:30-ish, and then buy side from there is what I'm anticipating for now. But because of the SMT divergence down below, this is also discount. We could technically see buy side right away as well. In that case, I'm probably gonna stay flat. But if it drops initially, leaves the buy side, then I might actually try to turtle soup that manipulation at some point on the second portion of the 2 p.m. No problem, man. Like, health is first. First things first, right? I hope you're fine, though. Your family is fine. If you're not, because, like, if you're unhealthy, you can't trade, obviously. You gotta be healthy first, then trade comes second. So best wishes for you, my friend. I hope nothing is serious. Alright, we have 10 minutes left. Let's see what market offers. I can see initially, like I said, I can see buy side pop almost immediately at 2 o'clock. I can see that due to the fact that SMT formed in discount. But ideally, in a perfect world, I want to see one more time, one more manipulation. Basically a turtle soup, because equal highs got cleared. Now we have equal lows. Clear that. That's a double purge for buy side. In that case, I think the rally to the buy side would be more how can I say, impulsive or more energetic. I would like that more. TJ, I'll catch you up later, later today after the stream. I'm probably gonna wrap it up for the PM session around 3 o'clock ish. I don't want to watch the last hour. But here's the Sibis forming here. I like this. That Sibi should be short. Actually, let's keep it. If it could stay it open and leave it open, that should be a short. Man, tomorrow's CPI. I am really curious about how it's going to pan out. I think we're gonna have a daily busy after all, after 1 month. So the whole trading idea today for the PM session will be around 2 p.m. candle. I want to see, first of all, how it delivers either to the upside or the downside, and then how price manipulates to its high and to its low, and depending on that, we might get a trade or not. I'm not gonna force anything, but my idea is initial drop 2 p.m., then retracement into this range here, then run on 2 p.m. low, basically manipulation, and that should be a turtle soup for longs. That is my game plan. What a day though. Like, it ran 200 points from the morning session, but in my opinion, the order flow was bad. Besides 10:01 retest of the basically silver bullet, the rest was, in my opinion, ugly. Slow grind here. This was nice. It basically traded down into the mean threshold of this order block from 1021. Sell stop rated and used OB to run on buy stop afterwards with clean highs. All right, macro is going for the sell side. Let's go. And the sell side is engaged. This should end up being a turtle soup though. It came before 2 p.m. I am not a fan of that, but I wanted to see this drop at 2 p.m. What a wick. Holy shit. 30-point wick. Now I gotta look at the wick's quadrants. I see this as a double purge though. Equal highs got manipulated. It dropped down to equal lows. Now it should go for the buy side. And the invalidation here is easy actually. If it displaces below sell side, that's the invalidation. It should not displace below 368. Am I recording this? Okay. So there's a rejection at the 25% of that wick. I want to see a bearish order block here. So these 3 consecutive up close candles should end up being a bearish LB before 2 p.m. So it could drop one more time and then form a breaker block for buy side. I think we're gonna have a breakaway gap, it seems like. Or we should. Nope, it traded into. It should stay in the lower portion though. So I think we traded into the hourly BIS. Yeah, the hourly BIS was traded into here. Cool. 1.5 minutes right left. I want to see one more sell side delivery, at least like to the CE of that large wick, and then run on that one more time and go for the buy side. That's what I'm anticipating for 2 p.m. Seems like market is forming the bearish LB 40 seconds before the news. All right, 20 seconds. PM. I'm gonna annotate this candle's high and low because price should manipulate it of both sides. ideally, if you have a long bias, you should be looking for long setups after the 2 p.m. candle's low gets manipulated. And if you're looking for short setups, same deal. You should be looking either above 2 p.m.'s high or after it gets manipulated, basically taken out. Okay, let's annotate this. I want to see it drop first because I have a bullish bias. Alright, 2 p.m. low. What is ES doing? ES also took the 2 p.m. low. This should either end up as a turtle soup right now, or it's going to drop a little further, a little deeper to the CE of that large wick. Let's see. We have a sub 15-second SMT right now, also at the lows. Let me see, 30-second, also not just a 15-second. Now, because price actually manipulated below the 2 p.m. low, any displacement right now to the upside should be a safe long. Let's see if she forms a displacement here. If it forms a busy with the next candle, that should be a PM session silver bullet. What's the reward here? 40 points. also have equal highs from 330. That's also another. That's a low hanging fruit objective basically. Alright, there's the BC. Let me calculate risk though. Hold on. 24, 43. Stop will be somewhere here. 6 points. I'll take it. I'll take the next candles open. Maybe I should trade micros though. Never mind. Okay. It's probably gonna pop without me. I'm on way out now. Be with you from next week. Have a great week. See you, TJ. I'll talk to you later today, okay? Keep looking at your DMs. Let me check the 5-minute, 15-minute. Kind of want to long this, but to me, this looks like a long accumulation. He has literally no business down at the sell side anymore. It's going for the minor sell side. I might actually trail with that. If it ticks below, maybe into the CE of the silver bullet. It's the CE. Waiting for this candle to close right now. It should close in the upper portion or outside the fair value gap. It's digging too much. Probably going for the volume bounce, I would say. Price has been lacking speed lately. At this point, it has to confirm the swing low for my liking. Still, there's no swing low. The volume imbalance from 202 is the last line of defense. I don't want to see that getting failed. But if it fails, I'm just gonna let it go. Damn it. Too much coffee. I think the confirmation of the latest low being a swing low should send price to the upside. I still want to see energy though. She must pop here. I don't like this order flow though. Although it's going for the buy side, I don't like the order flow itself because it's not showing strength. You know what I'm saying? Like the retest of 204 fair value gap, the BC at 206. That should have sent it already. too much down into sell side. I mean, even though it's rejecting, it's digging too much. A strong price wouldn't do that. Last time, when we had a trending morning session on an FOMC minutes day, the whole afternoon session until the close was a consolidation. Today, I kind of feel like it's gonna be like that as well because it's lacking speed, not respecting the bullish PD area. I'm concerned about the bullish PD areas more because of the fact that it has reason to go for the buy side. Volume balance is still holding. Which is basically also the mid-level of 2 o'clock candle. There is a bullish SMT. I'm gonna give this probably 30 or 40 minutes to make a move. If she doesn't, I'm gonna let it go. I'm looking at the daily also. So the daily today, the rejection at the high is at the CE of the daily buy side, which means the external highs from the morning session or the lunch hour might be left for later time. I'm also considering that idea. Because usually the CE of the wick rejections means price is building up liquidity to run on later time. So we gotta think in terms of probability here. Let's see if she can displace here. Apparently he has dropped deeper into the large wick. I want to see a BC here. That BC should be a good long. Once this count closes, I'm going to set a limit order at 2 p.m. high, which is essentially the CE of the BISI. Alright. She's probably not going to fill us, but she's not going to fill us. I'm more likely to let this go at this point. Because ideally I wanted to engage with the price before it takes out the equal to highs from 130, but it's going to take it out right now. 5 points away. I'm not going to chase it because the reward is not there anymore. Got the equal highs. Let's see if it could go for the external. ES needs to catch up though. She looks kind of weak. She needs to pop as well. She can go to overlap 5 minute high 446. Yeah, the draw liquidity should be 448 and or higher. These are basically equal highs. It's probably gonna form an SMT divergence. It seems like at the high, probably close inside the range at 4 o'clock. Clean double purge though. Yep, she's gonna push up. And she's at the buy side. I mean, I had to let this go, honestly. I'm not regretting this. Kind of looks like the opening range PA here. It slowly grinded lower, manipulated, popped. ES also has smooth highs. It should maybe take it out as well, which will send Nasdaq even higher, even further. Either way though, I'm not interested in engaging in this anymore, unfortunately. Wanted to get a fill at 2 p.m. high with this displacement, but it was never offered. You got the long, bro. Nice turtle soup. Oh, you got both shorts and the longs. Nice. I'm watching ES here more, just to see if she's willing to push and complete the second stage, essentially. Looks like it's forming an order block here. I honestly doubt ES if ES leaves the high. It could just stay in the range though. I can see that. I don't think it's gonna go for the lows, but if she leaves the high, it stays range bound. The least, the worst case scenario. Yeah, I'm probably gonna. I'm not gonna trade today anymore. I couldn't catch the pump, unfortunately. I'm gonna have to let this go. I think ES will stay range bound here because Nasdaq is doing what she's not supposed to do. I have zero interest in this ahead of CPI. I think I'm gonna wrap it up here. In fact, I'm not expecting anything more from price after this rally. The worst case scenario, like I said, ES stays range bound on this 15-minute range. Nasdaq's the same deal, stays range bound. But yeah, big day tomorrow. I'm hella ready for CPI. I love CPI days. I was thinking about maybe getting an eval for CPI, but I don't know. I'll think about it later today. Not to gamble on the news, but like trade the intraday PA. Yeah, I'm gonna wrap it up here as well. Maybe hit the gym. Thank you guys for being in here for this PM session. Good read. No entry, unfortunately. It's what it is. Sometimes you have to let it go, though. At least for my liking, there was no entry. But yeah. I think I've explained why it dumped to the sell side and why it pumped afterwards. If you missed that part, don't worry, I'll be posting the recording later today. You can watch it if you want to. But until then, I'll talk to you tomorrow, guys. Have a good day.